Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Google Maps API for web. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Google Cloud Platform website. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have an account, create a new one. Once logged in, click on the Select a Project drop-down menu at the top. Click on New Project to create a new project. Enter a name for your project in the dialog box. Click on Create to finalize the new project. After your project is created, make sure it is selected. In the left sidebar, click on APIs and Services. Next, click on Library. In the API library, search for Map, then, click on the Enable button. Once enabled, return to the APIs and Services section. Now, click on Credentials in the left sidebar. In the Credentials page, click on the Create Credentials button. Choose API key from the drop-down menu. Your new API key will be generated. Copy this API key to a safe place. You will need it later for your website. Next, navigate to your website's HTML file. Open the file in a code editor of your choice. In the head section, add a script tag. Set the src attribute to include the Maps JavaScript API URL. Include your API key in the URL like this, key equals your _API_ key. Save the changes to your HTML file. Now, locate the section in your HTML where you want the map to appear. Create a div with a specific ID, for example, map. Set the dimensions through CSS to display the map correctly. Next, add a new script tag just before the closing /body tag. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.